work has started on the construction of the 4th Type 26 frigate under build at BAE Systems Govan shipyard on the Clyde. HMS Birmingham. Sections of HMS Birmingham have been subcontracted to the Camel Laird shipyard at Birkenhead, with small ship block sections of HMS Birmingham arriving on the Clyde via a cargo ship, the Arctic Rock, earlier in March 2025. This was followed by a large section of HMS Birmingham, possibly the stern section, arriving on a large barge from Camel Laird shipyard to BAE Systems Govan, this being possibly the largest ever section of Type 26 warship to ever be subcontracted to another shipyard. This will speed up work with the completion of HMS Birmingham probably much quicker